Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope every one of you are fine and doing great. Please subscribe the channel because a lot of giveaways and information about free courses will be posted in this channel from now. And the giveaways always have a limited time, so be sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of those. Complete Python Bootcamp. Build real projects with Python 3 from Udemy is today's giveaway. It is an Udemy course created by Eminwa Global. I would like to give a lot of thanks to the creator of the course, Eminwa Global, for giving such a great course for free. The link for the course is given in the description box of the video. And the coupon is scattered serially throughout the video, so be sure you watch till the end of the video and combine those words and apply the coupon code to get this course for free. Make sure that the alphabet of coupon is uppercase. Thank you guys for watching the video, and please give a like to the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comment if you get the course. If you don't get it, then subscribe the channel so that you won't miss other. Enjoy and happy learning.